Hi everyone, in this video we will talk about the scatter diagram. Okay, what is scatter diagram? Scatter diagram will be used to show the relationship between two sets of data. So what does it mean? Look at this example. This is the data from 10 students of their height and their weight. So we want to show the relationship between the height and the weight. So we try to draw a scatter diagram. Okay, we use this data. First of all, we label the scales items and the unit of the horizontal and vertical axis. So you use a graph paper. So you remember that you draw a symbol like this. Why do you draw this? Because you would not use some of the data. For example, before 140 cm, there will be 130, 120, so on and so on, but we will not use it. So you use this symbol, to omit those data. So remember, the x-axis here will be the height, and the y-axis, the vertical axis, will be the weight. So we try to plot the ordered pairs onto the graph, onto the scatter diagram. So the first data will be height 192 and the weight 76. So 192 and 76, you get a point here. And so on. The next point will be this. The weight is 64 kg and the height will be 157 cm. So you plot all the ordered pairs on this scatter diagram. So you form this scatter diagram. And you have to give a title. So the title here is the height and the weights of 10 students. So if you look at these scatter diagrams, what can you notice? So when the height increases, you can say that, the weight is also increased. So we can say that there is a positive relationship between the weights and the heights of these 10 students. Okay, and how many types of relationships do we have? Now we can say that there are 3 possible types. The first one, we call it positive relationship. So the scatter diagram will be like this. When x increases, y increases. And the second one, we can say that there is a negative relationship. So for negative relationship, when x increases, y decreases. So another one, so this will be no obvious relationship. Remember, you have to say obvious, no obvious. You cannot say that there are no relationship between two data. You should say no obvious relationship. It will be something like this. When x increases, y can increase or decrease. Let's look at an example here. So for this example, this is about some products, the sales amount and also the price of the product. So for the part A, we have to draw a scatter diagram. And for part B, we would like to describe the relationship. Now for the first one, so we try to draw a scatter diagram. So you put the sales amount on the vertical axis, the price will be on the horizontal axis. So, and you use the symbol to represent that you will omit some of the values because it is supposed to be proportional. If you don't draw this symbol, it will be incorrect. After that, you plot the ordered pair onto the graph paper and you form this scatter diagram. Now we can say that from this scatter diagram, when price increases, sales amount decreases. So the relationship, we can say it is a negative relationship. Okay, so this is the video about the scatter diagram. I'll see you next time.